added boring system rail in our product as well. Another one is we have added short gauge in hydraulic chuck, slim type long hydraulic chuck, and then we have this hydraulic chuck where we can adjust the run out of the tool to the 0 level. Then we have added die and mold collet chucks this year, and then secondly also we have added swing pit holder with the coolant facility.
Can you tell us more about the boring bars which you have recently introduced?
Yeah, boring bars. Okay, we have introduced the boring bars with combination type where we can do the roughing, countering, finishing, everything in one setup. This will help us to reduce the cycle time of the machine component, and which will give also the accuracy. We can finish the H6, H7 bores on machinery center with these boring bars. Then we have micro adjustable boring heads where we can adjust the bore within 10 micron size by using the dials. And this is the MBU unit which we have introduced this year for finishing operations.